From the time when man began venturing into space, NASA's own cameras have consistently filmed UFOs near our spacecraft launches. But recently, news reports have confirmed persistent rumors that UFOs have also been observed and filmed by our astronauts out in space, and even as they prepare to walk on the moon. During the liftoff of the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1993, footage was shot of an unusual object which appeared to streak by the spacecraft as it made its way into orbit. Though the UFO seen here has never been explained, its very close proximity to the shuttle clearly could have posed a danger to the astronauts inside. While there have been many mysterious objects seen and filmed during missions before and after, perhaps the most startling footage showing UFOs near our astronauts was shot by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin just prior to the historic moon landing in the summer of 1969. Here you see two glowing orbs hovering over the lunar surface, which appear brighter than anything else in the frame. Are these merely reflections of light bulbs inside the lunar module, as some skeptics have claimed, or something much more phenomenal? Either way, this rarely seen footage helped fuel rumors that the Apollo 11 astronauts saw alien spacecraft watching them from a nearby crater rim as they walked on the moon. Interestingly, in 2006, Buzz Aldrin himself broke years of silence when he told the world press a UFO had begun following their craft 3 days into their flight from Earth, and though it was unexplained, they did not want to alarm mission control needlessly and risk bringing their mission to a halt. Though Aldrin did not elaborate on what he and Armstrong might have encountered on the moon, some UFO researchers are convinced that UFOs observed in space led to the development of Star Wars defense systems designed to protect us from a possible alien confrontation, and such weapons have already been used against them. September 1991. In this dramatic footage shot by NASA's own cameras aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, an unidentified object appears to emerge from the Earth's atmosphere and move steadily toward the upper left. Then, as a peculiar flash is detected in the lower left of the frame, the strange object seems to dart off into space.
There's the main object. It's going to come over here. There will be a flash. It'll dart back here. Then you'll see a streak go through here.
As astounding as it sounds, Dr. Jack Kasher, who has worked on Star Wars defense development, believes we are witnessing a Star Wars weapon being fired just before a UFO performs an evasive maneuver.
Watch for a double flash down here, and then it'll zip off. There's the flash. There it goes. Here comes the streak right through where it had been.
While NASA has maintained that this footage probably shows ice particles being affected by the shuttle's rockets, Kasher is certain this is not the case.
An ice particle simply cannot stop and wait for half a second and then react to being pushed by the exhaust from the shuttle. I think the video itself is a landmark because of the significance of what appears to be going on there, and the fact that it appears that we really are looking at spacecraft out in space away from the shuttle.